To remove the caliper, we need to remove the two bolts for the sliding pin. One is on the top and the other one is here. So it needs a 13mm socket or spanner. Yeah, it's okay. So that's the bolt. Do the same for the lower one. Now I've got a bigger ratchet to do this. It's relatively tight. So this is the lower bolt. So both bolts have been removed. After both bolts removed, we can just slide the caliper out. So this is a caliper. The caliper should not be hung over the brake cable, brake hose there. It should be supported or hang on some kind of hook. So now you can see I just used the luggage rope to hang the caliper that position while you're working on other parts of your car.